So this is how you can use your own face in SEEDANCE 2.0 videos without any restrictions, by the way. Multiple faces, not only your face. So the only platform I found that works is Higgsfield. Now, I tried different websites, but this actually works. And what you will do, you will go to Video, SEEDANCE 2.0, and then you will just upload your image. And here what you will see check eligibility. When you click the image, it will automatically check if you can upload. For example, if you try some celebrities, it will not be eligible. But if you try some generated images, for example, here is I generated a villain of myself. Here is a random woman with green hair. And here is, for example, I tried some of my family members, and here is me. I made this with Nano Banana Pro. And here you can see I select my image. I select another one, this woman, even this weird creation that I created. And you can see here is Elon Musk and Trump, and you can use this as well, but it will not go through for SEEDANCE 2.0 because this is specifically for Higgsfield, and then it goes through SEEDANCE 2.0. That's why you will not be able to create with celebrities, but you can use your face. And here is, for example, the video I generated with my face and with the evil villain. So here is one, here is another one with me, the villain and the green-haired lady, and you can see the face and how accurate this looks like one-on-one. This is insane. And I generated more videos. Here's, for example, me as a pitch intruder running on a football field, and this looks ultra realistic. I also uploaded my actual dog's image, and here you can see everything works. So, and you can even generate ads like these ones. The best part is that right now Higgsfield lowered their credit cost. I generated, like yesterday, I generated like 6 videos and they each cost me 90 credits, but they have lowered the credits. Right now it costs 68 credits per 15 seconds, which is quite cheap because there is no platform that actually gives you cheaper credits. This is the first time I actually see this. And if you want a discount on Higgsfield, the link is below in the description. Check it out, and thanks for watching.